Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. How was the chapter set? Yesterday, did you go through the chapter? Did you go through the notebooks? What I will give a recap. What is meant by a set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Objects can be persons or places or alphabets or numbers or vegetables or the mix of these, no problem, but it should be well-defined. Okay, you should be aware of which all are there in that. Okay, and I told what is the difference between well-defined and non-well-defined. The idea what you are telling should be clear. For that only I told the example. Tall students of 8th grade means it's not a clear idea. In my sense, tall means maybe 150 centimeter, but for the other one, tall may be 160 centimeter. So there will be a dispute. So if you are telling something, that should be very clear cut. So tall students, it's a vague idea. You can't tell that as well-defined objects. Instead, if you are telling that number of students, sorry, the names of the students, those have the heights 160 centimeter and all means easily we can make it to two groups. Okay, like that. Then how to represent a set? Always we will represent the set by English alphabets. English alphabets, and we will start with a bracket. We will start with a bracket. Yes, curly brackets we will use. We will write everything inside this using commas. Each member is known as element of the set. And if 6, 7, yes, if 6 belongs to, if 6 is an element of A, we can tell 6 belongs to A. 6 belongs to A. If here 9 is not an element of A, so you can tell 9 does not belong to A, like that. And there are two ways to represent a set. First way is roster method or tabular method. Second method is rule method or set builder method. One minute. Okay. Yes.
Last lesson 14th question I had doubt.
Who is speaking? Alisa Robi. Okay. That not now, only for Alisa, no? Okay. I will clarify the doubt through WhatsApp. Okay. Alisa, I will, can you send if the number is with you? Otherwise, you just send one message to me through WhatsApp. Then I will give the answer to that. Okay. We can do the clarification through WhatsApp. Okay. Question number last. Anyway, you will send the question number once again, no? Otherwise, I will forget. After the class, you send me through the WhatsApp. Okay. So there are two methods. Now there is no echo, no? Clear. Tabular form and set builder form. Tabular form means when we are writing the elements by putting commas. Set builder form means if we are writing some rule or some statement or some formula, we will tell that is set builder form. And if simply we are writing, that is descriptive method, that method is not mentioned in your notebook, in your textbook. That means set of natural numbers. If I am simply telling A equal to set of natural numbers, if I am telling, that's a descriptive method. That's irrelevant. That's why we are not telling. Okay. This is tabular method and the other one is rule method. Now, yesterday we studied.
So then, about your A equals set of natural numbers, should we put bracket for that?
And no. Here A equals to no. There won't be any. Sometimes they will, but it's not compulsory that you have to put the bracket. Okay. It's not compulsory. Some textbooks they will use, some textbooks that they are not using. That method is not that much important. That's why. Okay. Now, how to convert tabular method to rule method or rule method to tabular method, that we have to study anyway. If they are giving rule method and when they are telling to tabular method, it is easy, we can list the elements. But when they are giving the tabular method and when they are telling to make it rule method, little bit we need the practice for those type of problems. Yesterday, how many problems we have done? 4, I think. 4 problems we have done. And if there is any doubt, that means rule method only I will tell once more. The other method is easy. First we will start like this. You have to name it as A or B something. X such that, now X, its form. If it is an even number, you will write 2n. If it is an odd number, you will write 2n minus 1. If it is some other, like this, n by, if it is 1 by 3, 2 by 4, if it is like that, you will write n by n plus 1, that we will study. Some form will be there for this one. If it is a multiple of 3, you will write 3n. If it is a multiple of 3, you can write 3n like that. That is specialty. Or if some other, you will write, and then you will describe for this n. N from which family and n what is its barrier. Here we have to write. That you have to write, okay? X such that, X its speciality you will write, even or odd like that. Then n belongs from which family and but not also n from where to where, that you have to write. This n. According to that, we will substitute n here. Suppose that n stands for 6 to 8. So, n equal to 6, then n equal to 7, n equal to 8, like that you will substitute here. You will get correspondingly x. Those x we will write with commas. Okay, that's the method. By doing some more problems, we will be okay. Right. Which is the next. Write in, next question, write in tabular form. Write in tabular form. Okay, write in tabular form. X such question, X such that X belongs to W and X belongs to W and 8x plus 5 less than 23. This is the question. You have to write, this is which method? Rule method, that you have to write into tabular method. You have to write in that. They didn't name, we can name it as M or something like that. How to convert into tabular form? All of you see, X such the X is from whole number. That means from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. But not all X. What is the speciality? 8 into X plus 5 always you should get less than 23. That we can do one thing. Easily we can do. See, 8x plus 5 less than 23 means 8x less than 23. 5 let it go. 23 minus 5. These equations we were doing, no? Linear equations we were solving. Likewise, this is an inequation. Less than greater than means this is an inequation, not equation. Inequation, opposite of equation. There is no equality sign, inequation, that you will study later. Inequation also, but we will do the same procedure. 5 will go to the other side, it will become minus 5. So 8x less than 18, 23 minus 5. X less than 18 by 8. 8 will go there for division. X less than 9 by 4. Correct? (2.25). X less than 2.25. So, I can write this one. X such that X belongs to W and X less than 2.25. Instead of this, I can write this, no problem. Then it will be easy. Inequation. Can you tell X should be less than 2.25, but X should come from whole number family. Which all members? You tell. m equal to, which is the first member of whole number family? 0. 0. Natural number starts from 1. Whole number starts from 0. So 0. Then 1. Then 2. Then 3. Can you write 3? No, because they told that x should be less than 2.25. 3 means more than 2.25. So, this is the answer. Clear? 0, 1, 2. Two ways are, this is first. So, first when you are getting such an inequation, you will solve and you will get x is less than. That we will write again. Then it will be easy. Okay, x should be from whole number family, but not all less than 2.25. So 0, 1, 2. Only the chances for 3 members. That's answer. Okay. By doing, we will get an idea. Let's go through. Next, express in set builder form. Reverse. Express in set builder form. Express in set builder form. They are, every now and then they are changing the name. Here they are telling set builder form. Set builder form. What all? 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 9 by 10, 10 by 11, 11 by 12. Okay. Express the following sets in set builder form. Okay. Any specialty how to write? Just go through. What is the specialty? Yes. Numerator, denominator will be always 1 greater than numerator. 7, then it will be 8. If this is 8, this will be 9. If this is 9, this will be 10. Just 1 greater than the numerator. So I am writing m equal to x such, any number, any letter you can write, x such that x is equal to, what is the speciality? I told no, n by n plus 1. Generally we will write, if the numerator is n, denominator will be n plus 1. Just 1 add. Okay, this general form you write. Okay, but what you will write? N belongs to natural numbers. N, this 7, 8, 9, 10, everything comes from natural numbers, but not all natural numbers 7 to 11. So you write 7 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 11. Clear? Is it clear? 7 and 11 both should be included. That's why I wrote less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Okay, clear? Once more, you got the set. What is the speciality? Numerator and denominator, one difference. So generally I can write n by, if this is n, this will be n plus 1. Any letter you can write. Usually they are using x, you cannot use because x they used here. So here n or m or some anything, n by n plus 1. But n comes from which family? 7, 8, 9, 10 are natural numbers. So n belongs to n, but not all. From where to where? 7 to 11. So 7 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 11. Next one, 0. Next question, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. N equal to x such that much you can write. Starting it's like that. What is its speciality? Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. But not all multiples. Multiples of 3, that's okay. So let me write 3n. Multiples of 3, 3n. Now you will write n belongs to n from natural, but not all natural numbers. Which all natural numbers you tell? N, which all natural numbers? First n, which value? No, 0. If you are giving 3 into 3, first you will get this 9. So where are these elements? N which value? When n is 0, then only this will be 3 into 0, 0. For first n value 0. Then n, next n value 1. When you are giving n as 1, 3 into 1, 3. Then n equal to 2, 3 into 2, 6. Then n equal to 3, 3 into, here simply it was n. So directly we can. Here 3 is there. So that you have to force. 3 into 4, 12. Next to 3 into 5, 15. Next to 3 into 6, 18. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These many values you can use for n. When you are using n as 6, then only you will get the last member as 18. When you are giving n as 15, you will get the second last number as 15. Got it? So n value not 3, 6, 9. N which all value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That I had to write 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. 0 to 6 n values. After writing this, you will write n from which family and n's restriction. That is the rule. That is the formality. Hope that it is clear. Eh?
N is from which?
Natural numbers. N. I made a mistake. What mistake I made? Oh, yes. N equal to 0 is there. 0 is not coming in natural numbers. Sorry. Now okay? Aye, good students. Good. Maybe from your textbook? Or you got? Anyway, thank you. Textbook they wrote x less than or equal to 6 less than. Not x. Textbook also they made a mistake. You can see textbook they wrote x less than or equal to 6. Don't write x, that is n. N less than or equal to 6. X is here. N specialty we are telling. So n less than or equal to 6 or 0 less than. This is also enough. That no problem. But don't write here x. Textbook they wrote x. That you make it as n. Textbook you make it as n. It's n, not x. If whether you are writing 0 or not doesn't matter, because x belongs to w means automatically we know what n starts from 0. So no need to write here. If you are writing also, mark won't be reduced. That's an extra only. If you are not writing also, no problem, because x belongs to w means automatically we know that x first value is 0. Okay. Next question. 1 by 3. 1 by 9. Next question you write. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, 1 by 81, 1 by 243. First, by getting a set, you just see any speciality is there. 3, 9, 27, 81, 2. 3 is, okay, so we can write, boys, you are also there, no, boys? No sound is coming from the part of the boys? Yes. Next question. So I will call the names, those students who have to respond, others keep quiet, okay? I will call the names, those students who have to answer to me. Next question is 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, 1 by 81, 1 by 243. Okay, this is 3, this is 3 square, this is 3 cube, this is 3 raised to 4, this is 3 raised to 5. 3 square means 3 into 3. This is 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. This is 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. Okay, so this we can write x such that, all of you write x such that, what is the speciality of x? X in which form? 1 by 3 raised to n. First one n equal to 1, second one 3 square, third one 3 cube, fourth one 81, 3 raised to 4, 243, how we will get? 3 raised to 5. So this is the form 1 by 3 raised to n. Now you will tell the speciality of n, where n belongs to n, natural numbers, 0 is not coming. So natural numbers, n starts from 1, 1 by 3 raised to 1, 1 by 3. Okay. But which all n, all n whether we have to take, this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3 square, this is 1 by 3 cube, this is 1 by 3 raised to 4, this is 1 by 3 raised to 5. So 1 to 5 less than or equal to 5. 1 I am not writing because left side 1 I am not writing because it's understood. N belongs to n means it starts from 1, natural numbers. But don't exceed 5. After 5 you have to stop. Only those numbers. 3 raised to 6 is not there. Till 3 raised to 5, 243. Till that, but next number is not there. So n is less than or equal to 5. Clear? Is it clear? Next example, fourth example, we are not teaching now because that I had to teach you after studying the chapter factorization. So those type of questions won't come for the exam. Like a quadratic equation. It's an equation and power is 2. Did you see? That's an equation equal to 0. Equation at the same time its power is 2. Those type of questions won't come for the exam because that first we had to study what is factorization. So we will do some questions from exercise. First exercise 6a. First exercise. First you mark the homeworks. Mark the homeworks. I can't repeat. Please listen all of you. Mark the homeworks. Exercise 6a. Question number 1. Subdivision 3. Subdivision 3. Then question number 2. Subdivision 5. Question number 3. Subdivisions 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 4. Subdivision 1, 3, 5. Question number 5. Subdivisions 3 and 4. Okay. Now, in the remaining questions, we will do some questions. All of you take the textbook, page number 65, exercise 6a, first question. Write the following set in tabular form. It's very easy. Tabular form means it's easy. Simply list out. Okay. A1 equal to x such that. So they have given the rule method and we have to write in the tabular method. What we will do? X such that 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Just substitute the values for x. But they didn't tell x comes from which family. Did they tell? No idea. X comes from which family, they didn't tell. But we will solve and find the value of x. Okay. All of you write the question. It should be a little bit fast. A1 equal to x such that 2x plus 3. First question. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay. Listen all of you. X comes from which family? No idea. Anyway, they told one condition. 2x plus 3 should be 11. So, I told no. Last time also we got such an equation. We got an inequation and we solved. Like this also you write in the right side and solve. Solve it. 2x is equal to 11 minus 3. Correct? 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. So what is the answer? Only one member. X is equal to, A1 equal to the set 4. No other members. Because last time it was an inequation. We got as x less than 2.25. So 0 was there, 1 was there, 2 was, x less than 2.25 means 0, 1, 2, everything chance was there. And they told from which family they came. Here nothing they told, and this is equal to. So x is equal to 4 means only one value, x is equal to 4. Not less than, not greater than. So one member. We will call this set as singleton set. Why we are calling singleton set? Only one member. If only one member, what you will call singleton set. That comes under the second section, but for your information I am telling in advance, this is known as singleton set. Singleton set. Okay, definition it will come later. Anyway, this is the way, this we will write here, only x is equal to 4 is possible. So the answer is 4. Next question. Question number 1, first subdivision over. Next, question number 2 not needed because that's a quadratic equation. We won't teach now. I told you, no, that's a quadratic equation. 2 you make it cross. 3 I have given as homework. Next we will do 4. 4. All of you read. A4 equal to x such that x is a 2-digit number and sum of the digits of x is 7. Which are the members? It should be a 2-digit number and sum should be 7. 2-digit number which all? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I can't write fully, no? Sorry. Till 99, 98, 97. These are the 2-digit numbers. In this, which all numbers digit sum is 7? Here 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 21, 22, no. 27, correct. Sorry, 25. What we want? Total 7. 25. 16. Oh, sorry. 16 also comes. First chance for 16. Okay. Then 25. Then in 30s, 34. In 40s, 40. Likewise in each group you. Okay, wait. You keep quiet. Let me give the chance to others. In each set you think 43. In 50s, 57 we have to get. So 52. 5 plus 2, 7. Here 4 plus 3, 7. Here 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. Now 61. 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 72. Oh, 75. Oh, 70. Total 7. In 80s. In 80s anything? No. 80 itself. In 90s anything? No. So over. This is the answer. Next. Actually, I want to call the students. So, till Amala Mary, then Anaina Teresa Baiju, Angel Maria Joy, Angel Maria Robert, Angel Maria Shaju. So, you people are not attending. Angeline, Angelo Ramsey, Anne John. Anybody in this list? I called from 21 onwards. Nobody? Anne John? Who? Anaina Teresa I called. Then who? Angelo. Then Anne is there? Anne-Lit Joseph?
Yes.
Anvinando? Yes? Tell me the name. No, I didn't call. Arena Sony. Okay. Next class, if you didn't attend, all of you, we won't take these classes. That's sure. Next question number 1, fifth subdivision. All of you write A5 equal to X such that X, who? Yes. X is equal to 4n where n belongs to W and n less than 4. All of you write question number 1, fifth subdivision. All of you write the answer. Very easy. Fifth subdivision, all of you write the answer. Fifth subdivision. First A5. Okay. What is n belongs to W, but not all n less than 4. So the numbers are n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Don't take 4, n less than 4. So don't take 4. If it is less than or equal to, okay, 4 you can take. But only less than 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 belongs to W. So starts from 0. These are the values for n that you write on the right side. Which all works you did, you write on the right side, not in the working column, right part of the book. Doesn't mean that you have to write in the working column. You will get the mark for those things also. Now here n value you give. N equal to 0. 0. When n equal to 1, it will be 4. When n equal to 2, it will be 4 into 2, 8. When n equal to 3, 4 into 3, it will be 12. So this is the answer. Clear? Is it clear? 0, 4, 8, 12, correct, no? Next, A6. All of you write the answer, A6. Write the answer, A6. A6. X such that X is equal to n by n plus 2. N by n plus 2, where n belongs to n and n greater than 5. N belongs to n and n greater than 5. Which all members? First to tell n belongs to n. So natural numbers. But n should be greater than 5. So which all? N equal to 6, 7, 8, etc. etc. So what will be? So here also our set also will be an infinite set. Okay, A6 is equal to, what is the first number? 6. 6 by 6 plus 2. Next one, 7 by 7 plus 2. Next one, 8 by 8 plus 2. Then you all, here you put etc. because we cannot write fully. So the answer is A6 is equal to 6 by 8, 7 by 9, 8 by 10, etc. Clear?
Yes.
Next one, question number 2. Write the following sets in set builder form. Oh, that means tabular form we have to convert into rule form, rule method, okay? B1 equal to 6, 9, 12, 15. What is the speciality? 6, 9, 12, 15. Is it multiple of 3? Okay, okay. But not all. Anyway, you write. Okay, you write. You write B1. X such that X is equal to multiple of 3. I told you can write 3n. Now, n belongs to n. N belongs to natural numbers, but not all n. First member which one? 6. 6, 9, 15. No, 12, 15. 12, 15, etc. 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 Yes. So 6, first member is 6. So n, which, what is the value of n? 2, not 1, not 0, that is 2. Anyway, 0 won't come in. 2, 2. So 2. Here left side also you have to write because we are not starting with 1. We are not taking from the extreme left. 1 we are leaving. From 2 onwards we are taking. So both right and left, both sides we have to write. Okay. 2. Then this you will get for 3. Okay. For 2. Then for 3. Then this you will get for 4. So what we will write? What we will write here? Right side no end. What we will write? Let me write n greater than or equal to 2. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? N is greater than or equal to 2. All the numbers from 2 and above 2, all the numbers you can give here. If you are giving 2, it will be 6. If you are giving 3, it will be 9. If you are giving 4, it will be 12. Likewise, it will go. So, n is greater, the first time we are using the symbol, greater than or equal to 2. N is greater than or equal to 2. 2 and above. Got the meaning? 2 and above. Is it clear? Clear. Okay. That by writing only you will get this experience. Okay. Next one. 11, 3.
2 and minus 1.
Next one you are talking about B2.
Yes.
2 and minus 1. Let me see. B2 equal to 11, 13, 17, 19. 2n minus 1, who told whatever it is 2n minus 1, you thought that these are Siddhartha. Pete. Okay. 11, 13, 17, 19, these are not, all the odd numbers are not coming. Where is 15? 15 missing. So these are not odd numbers. Odd numbers they are, but if we are telling 2n minus 1, it should include all the odd numbers. 15 is, but these are some speciality. Who can tell? Prime numbers. No factor. See, listen all of you. This is no factor. Please listen here. Don't make the distractions. First you listen the class. This is 11. Prime factor. 13, prime number. 17, prime number, no other factors. 19, prime number, no other factors. That's why they missed 15. 15 is not a prime number. Okay. So these are the prime numbers, but not all. So I am writing rule method, no, x such that x is a prime number. We studied either you can write in statement or you can write in formula. Here we use the formula. Here I am writing statement. X is a prime number, but not all you have to write. But 11 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 19. 11 to 19 all the prime numbers. That's the meaning. Here we are not using n. We are using x. Because here no need of n. No need of n. N straight away you are telling the speciality of x. If we are telling indirectly then that time we will use n. Straight away we are telling x is a prime number, but not all prime numbers. X lies between 11 and 19. So here you write x, not n. X and n. Here we have to write x because here we are not introducing n. Straight away we are telling the speciality of x. X is a prime number. 11, 13, 79 prime number. Next one. B3. B3, 1 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 7 by 9. We have done similar question, no? Correct. B3 equal to 1 by 3, by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 7. Then 7 by 9, 9 by 11. Etc. Okay. Now, x such that, you need to give any other name, please. X such that x is equal to, see, numerator plus 2, denominator, numerator 3, then plus 2, not plus 1. If numerator is 5, this one is plus 2, 5 plus 2. So, n by n plus 2. Where now n specialty, n belongs to n, natural numbers, but which all, what are the values of n? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So, what we will write? 1 and on. No, what we will write? What we will write? What is any? Eh? There is no restriction. No restriction. See, n1. Then not all. Correct. 2 is not there. Then 3. Then 5. Odd numbers. Correct. N, all odd numbers. N is equal to all odd numbers. N belongs to n, but n, or we can write, n belongs to n, no need to write, correct, straight away we can write x is equal to n by n plus 2, where n is an odd natural number. Then everything will include in that. N is an odd natural, odd but natural. Odd natural number. So no need to write n belongs to n. Everything I included in this. Odd natural number. So today after the class you have to go through these questions once again. Then only you will be able to do the homeworks. That also we didn't reach the last part. So I don't know what you will do for the last section of homeworks. Anyway, first section and all you can do. Anyway, you try. No need to copy from the back of the book. Okay. So time is up, I think. And tomorrow, next class, next week only, next class, first we will discuss the homeworks and we will continue the class. But first term portions over by this exercise 6A. If you are discussing 6A, your first term portions will be over. Okay. Thank you.